Okie dokie, let's do the last one then, 35. It's the last question. I've written it out already, of course, and here's our table. Here's the derivatives arranged in a row. So we just run along the row and differentiate it term by term, don't we? But we need everything up on ground level, so we better write down the rule for indices that we're going to invoke here. X to the minus a is 1 over x to the a. Remember? You can bring something up to ground level, and you flip the sign of the index. So let's do that with all these terms that I mentioned just here. So y equals then 1 plus, there's a 1 there by default, isn't there? That's what we mean when we say x, it's x to the power 1. Move that up, you get x to the minus 1. Then you get x to the minus 2. And then plus, move that up, you get x to the minus 3. Okay? So then let's do the differentiation. the differentiation. So divide x then. Constant goes to 0. This one is minus 1 comes down, just comes down to here, doesn't it, remember? And then it's x to the 1 less. Minus 2 comes down to be with the plus, minus and plus is a minus 2, x, 1 less than minus 2 is minus 3. And then the same goes here, the minus comes down here with the plus to make plus and minus is a minus 3x, 1 less than minus 3 is minus 4. So let's tidy it up then. So there's the differentiation part there. Just put that in. And then tidy it up now. So dy dx equals, we've got minus x to the minus 2, minus 2, x to the minus 3, and minus 3x to the minus 4. We don't usually write one lot of, that's why I dropped the 1 there. We could tidy it up if we were fussy, a little bit more, couldn't we? And write it in a way that's slightly easier on the eye. The minus on top can tag with a 1, because there's always one lot. We can either drop it or pick it back up if we want. So we'll pick it back up, drop the x underneath, minus 2 over x cubed, and then minus 3 over x to the 4. So either of these would be marked correct, and also this one would be marked correct. It's only tidying up from here to here if you were fussy. And this also was tidying up in order to do the differentiation. So that finishes the 35 questions for this part. I'll put up another series soon for another section on differentiation, basic differentiation. Cheers!